Hey, I'm Kia. So I recently built a $300 custom keyboard. I have been using this keyboard for more than a month now, and I absolutely love it. It really does not compare to pre-built keyboards. That being said, it does have some flaws. Around the middle area of the board, you can hear some keys pinging off the aluminum, which leads to a feeling of inconsistency when typing. Today we're going to refine this keyboard in every way by modding the fuck out of it. We're gonna do the PE foam mod, the classic tape mod by Tempest. I also heard that t-shirts are good for thock, so we're gonna throw a t-shirt in there, why not? Let's start with the PE foam mod. I found this PE foam somewhere around my house. It's PELD, low density polyethylene. So, I mean, this should do. I'm not sure if it's non-conductive, so you should probably check that before doing this, or else you might risk some damage on the PCB. But yeah, I removed all the switches from the board. We're gonna use this layer of PE foam and cut some spaces for the stabs. Make holes for the switches. I'll put all the switches back on slowly without bending any pins. You can see the layer of PE resting above the PCB, which is how we want it. I'm gonna plug the keyboard in and check to see if every key is working. I ended up bending a total of 2 or 3 pins, so I'm gonna have to take them out and fix them. I straightened the pins using a pair of anti-static tweezers. That's actually good enough. And place them back in. And yeah, the PE foam mod is done. Second mod is the tape mod by Tempest, which is so fucking easy. You apply 2 layers of tape on the back of the PCB. And yeah, that's it. Lastly, the t-shirt. I'm not even gonna say anything about this. Just cut it and make holes for the screws. And we're done. All the mods are done. We're gonna have to make some holes on the tape in order to screw in our PCB. I'm gonna screw in the PCB using my O-ring screws, which is a small O-ring in the screw. Not too tight. And we're gonna put on our keycaps. I ended up putting some PE foam on the enter, shift and space buttons because it just felt a bit hollow. And yeah, here's the sound test. All these mods combined seem to have improved the sound and feel of the board. It's definitely thockier, it's creamier, and all those other words that people in this hobby use. It's definitely better, and I'm really happy with it. So yeah, if anyone's still watching, I would appreciate it if you subbed and liked the video. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or thoughts. And yeah, more videos coming soon. Okay, bye!